No matter where you're headed, the 2025 Toyota Tacoma is built to take on what lies ahead. Backed by potent performance and an aggressively rugged design, this incredible beast's versatility can take you nearly anywhere on or off the beaten path. From exhilarating off-roaders to smooth yet refined on-road grades, Tacoma's capability makes it a true adventure vehicle. Together with modern tech that keeps you connected, Tacoma is ready to hit the road to get to that next epic trail. The 2025 Tacoma is ready for any adventure, featuring 8 grades, which include 3 value-packed core models, 4 performance-focused TRD models, and the capable Trail Hunter grade. This adventure truck has something for everyone. Together with a choice of 2 cab styles, 2 bed lengths, and gas or hybrid powertrains, Tacoma can handle multiple terrains with its impressive performance. Whether on or off the pavement, Tacoma sets the standard for fun among mid-sized trucks. Featuring a standard I-Force turbocharged gas engine with up to 278 horsepower and 317 pound-feet of torque, or the available I-Force Max hybrid system with up to 326 net combined horsepower and 465 pound-feet of torque, this adventure vehicle packs the power for play. All of that power is routed through an 8-speed automatic transmission that provides an excellent blend of capability and efficiency. And should you want to take full control of Tacoma's potent output, a 6-speed manual is also available on select gas grades to bring added engagement. All of this trail-dominating power is put to good use on Tacoma's off-road grades, which are ready to take you further into the wild. Features like Trail Hunter's Old Man Emu shocks help ensure you can go the distance on that next long trip, while TRD Pro's off-road suspension with Fox shocks brings added thrills on the dirt. Additionally, the available multi-terrain select, available crawl control, and available stabilizer disconnect mechanism provide added support on tough terrain. Plus, the available electronic locking differential helps put the power down effectively, maximizing traction on a wide range of road surfaces. Tacoma is also up for adventures on the pavement. The available multi-link coil spring rear suspension boosts comfort no matter the road surface. On the limited grade, the standard adaptive variable suspension constantly adjusts based on changing road conditions, resulting in a refined ride and handling that enhances this truck's premium feel. Together with a limited I-Force Max grade standard full-time 4-wheel drive system, Tacoma delivers performance on and off-road. Bringing some extra gear on that next adventure? Tacoma has a maximum payload capacity of up to 1,705 pounds, as well as a maximum towing capacity of up to 6,500 pounds, meaning there's plenty of room for toys to come along. All of this capability also comes backed with plenty of style, giving Tacoma distinctive looks that hint at what this truck is capable of. Tacoma's rugged design is tough on the trail and easy on the eyes. Just look at its standard LED headlights, which give this mid-sized truck an unmistakable presence. This is further enhanced in Tacoma's ruggedly styled off-road grades. Take Tacoma Trail Hunter's chiseled design, which emphasizes its focus on overlanding, off-roading where the journey is the focus. Details like the heritage-inspired grille with Toyota logo and LED light bar give these capable trucks a distinct design. The available low-profile, high-mount air intake builds on this even further and hints at Tacoma Trail Hunter's off-road capability. Additionally, the TRD stamped skid plate on Tacoma TRD Pro is designed to keep the underside protected from debris, all while paying tribute to its Baja Racing-inspired off-road performance. On the other hand, available 18-inch alloy wheels give Tacoma's on-road focused grades a refined touch to this rugged package. Tacoma's exterior also brings more function. The available power tailgate is designed to help make accessing cargo in the bed easier, while the available power retractable running boards are designed to make entering and exiting the vehicle effortless. Tacoma's emphasis on function becomes even more apparent in its interior, where you'll find clever touches and practical details that pair the truck's rugged style with comfort. Just how versatile is this truck? Jump inside using the standard Smart Key system, or available digital key compatibility with an active remote connect trial or subscription, and experience the smart details that make it so convenient. Features like extra cab standard fold-down front passenger seat and rear compartment give Tacoma added flexibility. While the available 400-watt, 120-volt AC power inverter lets you plug in while you unplug for an epic getaway. iForce Max grades elevate this convenience even more with an available 2400-watt, 1200-volt AC power inverter. Additionally, the available Qi-compatible wireless charger is designed to keep mobile devices powered, while the available 12.3-inch digital gauge cluster and available head-up display are designed to put relevant data in the driver's line of sight. All of this versatility comes backed by details that complement Tacoma's rugged style. The red trim on TRD models and the available TRD leather-wrapped steering wheel add a hint of sportiness to this capable package. And for a piece of history in this modern truck, the TRD Pro Grade has a Heritage Toyota badge as a tribute to Toyota's off-roading roots. That's not all. Tacoma also elevates comfort in this practical cabin. Its available heated and ventilated power-adjustable front seats provide added relaxation on the road, while the available heated leather-wrapped steering wheel provides warmth on chilly days. And for an innovative touch, Tacoma TRD Pro's standard isodynamic front seats are designed to help minimize body movement and fatigue when driving, resulting in a confidence-inspiring ride even on rough trails. All of this comfort, versatility, and style comes backed by cutting-edge tech, meaning staying connected on the road just got that much easier. Tacoma puts advanced technology right at your fingertips. This starts with the user-friendly Toyota Audio Multimedia System. Featuring an 8-inch or an available 14-inch touchscreen, it includes standard wireless compatibility for Apple CarPlay, which connects drivers to the apps on their iPhone, including Maps, Messages, Podcasts, and music subscriptions. In addition, wireless Android Auto compatibility makes it easy to stay connected to Android devices and access various apps and services from Google, including YouTube Music and Google Maps. Plus, there's a standard 3-month Sirius XM trial subscription that includes over 165 channels available in-cabin, and even more on the Sirius XM mobile app, making it easier than ever to enjoy not just ad-free music, but also sports, comedy, and more. Select grades also include trials for Toyota's line of connected services, including Safety Connect, Service Connect, Remote Connect, Wi-Fi Connect, and Drive Connect. For an immersive listening experience, the available 10-speaker JBL Premium Audio System with a removable JBL Flex speaker pumps out tunes in stunning clarity. Tacoma doesn't just make it easier to stay connected, it also brings added confidence thanks to its advanced safety and convenience systems. Tacoma is packed with active safety and driver assistance features. Every grade includes Toyota Safety Sense 3.0, which includes pre-collision system with pedestrian detection, lane departure alert with steering assist, automatic high beams, full-speed range dynamic radar cruise control, lane tracing assist, road sign assist, and proactive driving assist. Additionally, the available blind spot monitor with rear cross-traffic alert is designed to let the driver know if a vehicle has entered a blind spot, while the available front and rear parking assist with automatic braking and panoramic view monitor are designed to assist the driver when maneuvering in tight spaces. Tacoma also brings plenty of convenience when driving off-road and towing. The available multi-terrain monitor is designed to help the driver see what's around the vehicle and maneuver through obstacles, while the available trailer backup guide is designed to make backing a trailer in a straight line even easier. From its impressive off-road performance to a refined drive on pavement, the 2025 Toyota Tacoma delivers legendary capability and captivating style. Together with its practical interior and advanced tech, Tacoma is a compelling package for the adventurers of today. And Tacoma includes Toyota Care, which provides 2 years or 25,000 miles of scheduled maintenance, whichever comes first, and 2-year unlimited mileage of 24-hour roadside assistance. Tacoma's hybrid grades also include a hybrid system warranty for 8 years or 100,000 miles, whichever comes first, and a 10-year or 150,000-mile hybrid battery warranty, whichever comes first, making them strong choices for long-term ownership. Take all of these factors together, and it's clear that Tacoma is ready to take epic adventures to the next level. Want to learn more? Check out Toyota.